What is up with it, YouTubes? Quattro for Life here. Very excited to bring you guys this video today. We're going out to Mexico, get a few street races in. Gonna be doing a couple roll races today with this WRX STI. Not gonna be doing any digs today. You know, the owner never launched this car, so you know, it wouldn't really be a fair race, and you know, need to get some practice before doing that in the real world. So maybe we'll get that on the next video, but I am very curious to see the outcome of this race. Should be much closer than the last race with the Challenger. That car made easily 100 more horsepower, but these two cars here are making similar power. So let's go ahead, pop the bonnets, and see what's going on with the setups on both cars. All right, got a 2018 WRX STI, completely bone stock. It's got the cat on it even. No tune, no nothing. It just got a catback exhaust on it. Got some nice wheels on it. Nice titanium exhaust, look at that. Now with it being stock and having the cat, it should make it more of a fair race because this car is obviously much lighter than this car. Makes just a little bit more power, but this car, 1992 Audi UrS4, stock turbo, does have a RS2 manifold. It flows a little bit more. Shouldn't be making, you know, more power from that, but it definitely flows better. It's got a aftermarket, or I should say homemade downpipe 3 inches, and then it's 3-inch catback all the way to the back. Stage 1 MTM tune, makes somewhere around like 280 horsepower, something like this. Doesn't have, you know, too much top end, but you know, she's pretty decent. So I think this should be a pretty good race, so we're just gonna go get it in.